Hi guys, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a number of ways to fix the search bar in Windows not working. So you know when you come down to the search bar here and you want to type in for example settings, nothing happens. So this whole bar here is just blank and it's not searching for anything, which makes it really difficult to navigate around in Windows 10. There's a number of fixes for this. One of them will usually work. So what we'll do is we'll start off with the first fix, and that requires us to go into regedit. So obviously if the search bar isn't working, then you need to use shortcut commands. So on your keyboard you will find the Windows key. It's the bottom row to the left of the space bar. If you press the Windows key and press R, that will get you into this run option here, and you simply type in, as I've already got it in here, regedit, and then click OK. It'll ask you if you want to make changes to the app. Just click yes, and then what we do is we go all the way down here, and I'll collapse it also as we can start again. Well, basically you have to go to H key current users, and then once we've gone to there we go to software. Once we've gone to software we go to Microsoft, which is here. So you would literally expand Microsoft like so. Once you've gone into Microsoft you go into Windows. Let me find Windows. Yep, Windows, which is here. Once you've gone into Windows you do current version, which is this one here. Windows current version, expand it, and then we go to look for the search, which is this one here. Now when we're in here on the right hand side now, we click on new and we click on D-word 32-bit value, and in here we type in Bing search enabled. Once we've done that, we we left click on the mouse, just double click it, and we make sure that this value here is at 0. So we just type in 0 and press OK. Now if you restart your computer now and try the Windows search button down the bottom here, you should get the search working. If however you've done that and that doesn't work, then try this fix. This is fix number 2, which is uninstalling updates, because what can happen is when Windows installs certain updates it can cause the search bar to stop working. So the first thing we need to do again, because obviously if we haven't got our search button working here, we will go to the keyboard, we would press the Windows key. Bear with me. And we would press Windows S. Now in here we need to go to this one here, which is settings, and then we need to go for check for updates. And that gets us to this menu option here. Now what we want to do is we want to go to view update history, which is this option here, view update history. Click on it, and that gives us a list of all the updates in alphabetical order by date. So you can see here that successfully installed on the 10th of the 2nd 2021, successfully installed on the 10th of the 2nd, 2021, 22nd of the 1st, and so on. So if my search button hadn't been working since the 10th of the 2nd, it's probably because this update went in. So what we can do is we can click at the top here, Uninstall Updates, and then we can select from this screen and click on Installed On. So there was 2 updates on the 10th of the 2nd, and we would literally uninstall this update. And the way you do that is you just double click it. Are you sure you want to uninstall this update? And you just click yes. Once you've done that, you could go to the second one if it hadn't been working since the 10th of the 2nd and do the same. Uninstall updates and click yes. Restart your computer and then try the Windows search button again. Now, if that doesn't work, what we can do is we can go to Task Manager. This is method 3. So in Task Manager, we come down to the taskbar here. Look where I'm moving my cursor to. We right click and we go into Task Manager, which gives us this view. Now, what we want to go is we want to go into where are we? Task Manager, Services. So if we go to Services, and then once we in Services, we can do a refresh now, just to make sure that we're looking at the right selection. Scroll down, and what we're looking for, we're trying to find the Windows search. So if you go all the way down, and we're looking for Windows search, which doesn't seem to be here. Okay, once we've found Windows Search, which as we can see is here, Windows Search, we can right click and we can restart the service. So I'm going to actually do that. So as you can see, Windows Search, right click, restart. So now we can see that it's stopped, and then we can right click and do start, and we can now see that the Windows search button is actually running. So that's method 4. So now the other method that we've got is that we can try and restart Cortina. So again, we go to the Windows button on your keyboard, do Windows R, and we go into services.msc. and that will give us our services list. We can also restart the Windows search from here as well. This one here, Windows search. Now what we can do for Windows search is if we just double click on it, we come up with this pop-up window, and we want to make sure that this is in automatic startup. Change it to automatic startup, click apply and click OK, and whenever you reboot your computer then you know that that service is going to start automatically. So again, to do that you simply double click on it, come down here and go to automatic, click apply and click OK. So guys, and what we'll do is we'll come to our final method to fix the Windows taskbar. So what we need to do here is, let me just move my taskbar. We'll go into File Explorer, and then in the address bar here, Control Panel. We're only doing it this way because we're assuming that the search function isn't working and we're trying to fix it. Once we go into the Control Panel, we change this to large icons. And we're looking for indexing options, which is this one here, indexing options. Click on indexing options, and then when we go to advanced here, we click on this rebuild, delete and rebuild index. Rebuilding this index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results may be incomplete until the rebuild is finished, and we simply click OK, wait for that to finish, restart our computer, and then we check again if the Windows search button is working. So one of those fixes, guys, will definitely solve the search button not working. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, where we upload videos every day with good technical fixes for you and to resolve some of your computer problems. So I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.